Hi, my name is Jeff Harding. I'm head of major projects for Ducks Unlimited Atlantic Canada, and I work out of the Fredericton office. And we've been working with the department's help on trying to improve the performance of those fishways. So under this program, we're doing research to improve fish passage, and we're restoring habitat on two major rivers. We're working on the Missisquash River, which is right on the border between Nova Scotia and New Brunswick, and the Tantamarma River. Yeah, the work that we're doing on the Missisquash River is really important to Ducks Unlimited. It's the largest project Ducks Unlimited has in Atlantic Canada. It's over 6,000 acres, and it's a big investment, likely the biggest investment we've ever made to rebuild a project. That overall investment is approaching $1 million. DFO's assistance with that is critical. We wouldn't be able to undertake it without that partnership.